Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock on the bench. On the bench is Brava Privacy Set AC LN series. So these locks come in three different finishes. This is the brown, or antique copper as they call it. This is polished brass. That's what polished brass looks like. And this is satin chrome. Okay, so I'll quickly take you through what's in the box. You have your lock set, you have your T-shaped striker. These are all standard, I think 75 by 25, 70 by 23, I think it is. They're all standard. Bit of cardboard, and then you have your latch. This is a passage latch, so it can be shimmed. It's never dead latching, it's just a passage latch. Adjustable from 60 to 70mm back set, just by pulling it backwards and forwards. Instructions. 4 screws in metal thread, the short ones. 2 wood thread. 4 wood thread screws, short ones. 2 metal thread screws, long ones for the lock itself. So for your striker plate, 2 short screws. For your latch, 2 short screws, short ones. And then for the actual lock itself, take the plastic off. Oh, you got to remove this right here. So I'll take that off. I'm using a spike tool. In the pack here comes a little lever remover. You simply push it into that hole like so, and then just pull that lever off. Push it in, and pull. Shoot, what am I doing? I'm doing the wrong side. It's the side with the turn. Push it in, you'll feel it dig in a little bit. Making sure it's lined up. Normally it sits right there where the tool is, but for some reason this one might be a little bit offset. There it is there. Normally they don't have this on and you can actually put the screws straight through it, so I think this might be an older model one. Ah, there it was. Okay, it was up a little bit. So that releases the knob, and I'll show you what that is. And you take this rose off. You're fishing for that little lock-in right there. That's what locks the handle in. All right, so we have our parts ready to install. Let's do the 1-minute installation demonstration. Okay, our latch. We pop that in, making sure our back set is set. This is a 70mm board. I measured from the edge to the center of the hole. I got 70. The other option is 60, so it's either 60 or 70. So I'm going to move it to 70. I'm going to pop that in, making sure my ramp is facing my striker plate ramp. This ramp here, we want those two to hit like this and spring. If you do it the other way around, it's not going to work. The door's not going to slam. 2 screws there, the little tiny wood screws, put them in. Then we come from this side here, we put our lever over the top like so. Just wiggle it into place, make sure that square drive goes all the way through, and you'll end up with what you can see there. Once you're at that stage there, come with this part here. Now take note with this one, because of that extra step, this key, which holds a knob on, face it towards the latch, and just pop that over the top. Okay, come through with your 2 big long metal screws and attach them both on either side. This is a little bit easier because with some of the other ones, if you don't remove this, you've got to pull the handle down to get the screw in. With this one, you just take it off and then put 2 screws in. Now with this one here, you've got one side that's got a little tiny cutout and one side that's got a little indent. The indent would marry up to this side here. So as you put it on, that little indent will sink in underneath that. There we go. So I'm going to put that over the top there. I'm going to push that side on, you'll probably hear a bit of a click, and then that would be attached like so. It does actually kind of clip in a bit, it's just you didn't hear the click because I don't have it fastened. Now the cutout, this rectangle shape here, would be on this side here, meaning our lever goes on this way. Just wiggle that down till you hear a click, like so, and you're pretty much good to go. Your lock is now fitted. Now this is a privacy lock. This is an entrance lock, works exactly the same way. You've got a key on one side, you've got a turn snib on the other side. Key can override both of them. This is a privacy, so it's used for toilets. If something goes wrong, let's say somebody's in the toilet and they've locked it and it's locked and something goes wrong, this lock allows you to come along with anything from the front and simply turn it. A key, a screwdriver, and you can just turn that to undo the lock itself like that. All right, so without any screws in, it moves around a bit. So that's locked, that's unlocked. It's moving around because I don't have the screws in it. And if you need to reset it, you simply push something in there and turn it around, and you're good to go. You can lock and unlock from that side, and from this side here, you've got the switch in there, you can do the same. So it's a fairly straightforward, easy to use lock. One of the reasons we use Carbine and Brava is because the price is good, the quality is good, the mechanisms are better than the ones you get at a lot of the hardwares for about the same price. This is more of the type of lock that locksmiths would install around your house. Reason being is they can actually give you warranty on a product like this because they know the mechanisms have been tried and tested and they don't fail. One of the biggest mechanisms on this is the latch. If that plays up and you buy one from a hardware and they've got the cheap springs in and it plays up, it can create a lot of trouble. That's why these latches here, being the most critical point, we know that they're actually good, tried and tested, and will take the abuse. That's why it becomes a product then is at a good price that is something we can install and give warranty on. Now with this type of lock, this is a privacy lock. You'd have this on a bathroom, then you'd have an entrance on your front door. If you want to order multiple locks and have all the same type finish, same shape, you can. This particular one here is LN series from Brava, give it the part number, LN901B in antique bronze. Yeah, so quite a good little lock, residential grade, not fire rated, not used for fire doors or anything like that, or high use, more of residential, light commercial, maybe on an office door or a bathroom door, anything like that. They suit the purpose well. Having the 60-70mm adjustable latch means it's easy. It suits like 99% of doors. You just put it in there, 2 screws in the back, 2 screws here, 2 screws on the striker plate, and you're done. That's a quick review and unboxing and quick installation. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.